Silence on the job? That's the fastest way to turn a small hazard into a big disaster. Picture this. A loose cable snakes across the floor. One guy spots it but shrugs it off, thinking someone else will mention it. Next thing you know, someone takes a dive and it's chaos. Happens all the time, right? Let's be real. Most accidents aren't about laziness. They're about what goes unsaid. When people don't speak up about safety, equipment glitches, or even a weird noise, those little things stack up, and suddenly you've got a problem nobody saw coming. So what's the fix? Simple. Talk. Ask questions. Share what you see, even if it feels small. A quick heads up can save a trip to the ER. Bottom line, hazards don't just hide under boxes or behind doors, they hide in silence. Break that silence and you break the chain of accidents. Want a safer site? Start with a conversation.